If you spend most of your time on TikTok just like me, then you need to watch this video to the very end. So if your TikTok account is actually draining your battery and you think it's just because you are scrolling on TikTok, then you need to actually think twice, because sometimes even if you are on your device like this, now just because the app is actually running on your background, your data is going to be burning. So in order for you to fix that, this is what you can simply do. Right here is my home page on my TikTok app. Now the first step you need to take on yours is to click on your profile icon like this. So at the top right corner, you can see the three line icon right there. When you go there, go ahead and click on settings and privacy. You can see that at the bottom of the screen. So when you go to your settings and privacy, scroll to the very bottom. Now here you can see where it says data saver. So you need to go ahead and click on that. If yours is turned off like this, you need to turn it on immediately in order to save your data. So the next step you can actually take in order to save your data is to go to your home page. Now you need to hold this video like this and scroll just like this. If this auto scroll is actually turned on like this, you need to go ahead and turn it off. Now if your phone is on auto scroll and it is just scrolling and scrolling, your data is going to be draining. So the next way you can fix this problem is to switch to Wi-Fi. Now instead of using mobile data, you need to switch to Wi-Fi. If you switch to Wi-Fi, you are still going to be able to play your videos, but it is not going to be counted against your data plan. So another way you can actually solve this as well is to go to your phone settings. So right here is my phone settings. So the next step you need to take is to scroll gently like this on your phone setting. Now go ahead and click on apps. You can see the option of apps like this. Once you do that, go ahead and search for TikTok like this. Click on TikTok like this. Now scroll gently like this and you're going to see where it says mobile data. So when you click on mobile data like this, looking here, you can see where it says allow background usage. So you need to turn that off. Once this is turned off, if you move out from your TikTok app, your data is not going to be counted because you have actually turned off your background data usage. So this is very important. Another way you can solve this as well is to go for TikTok Lite. Now if your phone is actually going to accept it, because it is not accepted by all phones. So if your phone is going to accept TikTok Lite, I'm going to advise you to go for TikTok Live. It is going to save your data more. It's going to be showing you video with less resolution. So you just need to go to your Play Store or App Store and download the TikTok Lite app and start using the TikTok Lite app instead of using the main TikTok app. Alright guys, this is how simple it is to fix your TikTok from draining your data usage. We've come to the very end of this video. Now hit the like button, subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this. See you in the next one.